Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a fun and educational project, building an electric quiz game board. This is a fantastic and engaging way to learn new things and test your existing knowledge, all while getting hands-on experience with some fundamental electronics. Get ready for some electrifying fun. So, what do we need to get started? First and foremost, you'll need a piece of cardboard. This sturdy material will serve as the base, the foundation of your quiz board. Next, gather some essential components: paper clips, which will act as our connectors wires to create the electrical pathways. A light-emitting diode LED, our visual indicator of battery. The power source and a battery holder to securely contain the battery. Of course, don't forget the most important part, the questions and answers for your quiz. Consider what topics you want to explore, from science to history, or even fun facts. Let's dive right in and get started. On the front of your cardboard, carefully decide how many questions and answers you want to include. Consider the complexity and scope of your quiz. Write the questions and answers clearly and legibly, making sure there's ample space between each one to avoid confusion. This is where the paper clips become essential. Attach a paper clip to each question and its corresponding answer. Ensure they're securely fastened to the cardboard. This will guarantee a good electrical connection later on. Now, carefully flip the cardboard over. This is where the magic, the electrical engineering, truly happens. We're going to create the circuit on the back of the board. Take your wires and begin the process of connecting the paper clips. The goal is to establish a connection between each question's paper clip and its corresponding answer's paper clip. This will be the crucial path for the electricity to flow when the correct answer is selected. Next, let's carefully wire up the LED. Remember that an LED has two distinct legs, a positive anode and a negative cathode. Correctly identifying these is crucial for the LED to function properly. Connect the positive leg of the LED to one of the wires connected to an answer. This is how the circuit will be completed when the correct answer is selected. Now, connect the negative leg of the LED to the battery's negative terminal. Finally, connect the battery's positive terminal to a wire connected to a question. Ensure all connections are secure and stable. Now, carefully insert the battery into the battery holder. Double-check all your connections to ensure everything is in its place. Your quiz board is almost ready to go. To play the game, gently touch the paperclip of a question with the paperclip of an answer. If you've connected the correct question to the correct answer, the LED will light up, confirming your success. If the LED doesn't light up, you'll know that you need to try another answer, signaling that the connection is incorrect and you should try again. You can customize this electric quiz board in so many exciting and creative ways. Experiment with different colors of cardboard and wires to make it visually appealing. Create quizzes on diverse subjects, from your favorite hobbies to complex scientific concepts. You can even add multiple LEDs or create more advanced circuitry for a more challenging and engaging version of the game. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination and ingenuity. This project is not only highly educational but also a whole lot of fun. It's an excellent way to gain a fundamental understanding of basic electronics concepts, while simultaneously creating an interactive and enjoyable game. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, happy quizzing! We hope you have a blast building and playing your new electric quiz board.